So I printed on my last video a watchtower pot, basically another flower pot thing, and I used the Repcord PLA. And when I got done with it, and as I was kind of going through the process, I had a little inspiration of what I thought would look pretty cool. I wanted to try out. Stick around, see what it is that I came up with. I'm Ron, and this is my place. So my last video that I did was of the Watchtower flower pot, and I was testing the PLA out, the Repcord. That's this guy, and it turned out fabulous. And as I was looking at it, it was part of kind of a bigger model, and then I started having an inspiration. I'm like, what if we printed the whole thing and did it in kind of a translucent color? White doesn't show up very good on camera, but it looks absolutely awesome. It turned out wonderfully. Of course, this is the pot, and it goes in, and as you can see, it's hollow. So the idea is you're putting the pot up here, or the plant, excuse me, in the pot up here, and it'll drain down into that, out the hole and in the back, and it's just absolutely fabulous. But of course, this wasn't my inspiration. My thought was, what if we added a little bit of awesomeness to it? And then I went, and that's awesome. It's mesmerizing. I know you're watching a guy sitting in a room looking at a flickering thing, but it is just absolutely awesome. Absolutely fabulous. With lights on and stuff, it's not quite as good. So I'll show you. Yeah, it's just not quite as good, is it? You get the idea, though. You can kind of see it there. It's just really cool. This is a natural PLA from Maker Geeks, and it's kind of almost like fiber optic concept, where it's getting into the skin of the model, and it's just kind of riding the light up. Ironically, I don't know if you can see it. You can't really tell, but the top of this model, about right here, right at the parapets or whatever the heck you want to call these top things, I actually ran out of filament, and caught it when I woke up this morning, literally inches away from disaster. So I managed to pause the print and used glow in the dark, actually, but you can't really tell the difference. I just wanted to finish the print. So there you go. And all I did in it, honestly, is it's a little Halloween from a dollar store, Halloween gadgety, same one I used for the pumpkin thing, and it has, a bunch of different colors and little flashes and flickers and all that stuff, and when you put it in there, it just kind of lights it up. It looks really awesome. So anyways, I just thought it was extremely cool. Again, this was printed in Maker Geeks, natural PLA, if you will. So there's no real colors. It's just kind of a yellowish, clear, white filament, and I just think it looks really, really cool. I don't think I'll put a plant in this one, just because I worry that it may get a little top heavy, but it's pretty sturdy, so I don't know. I don't think that looks quite as good, huh? Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Hope you like it. Remember, subscribe if you want to see more. Like if you kind of like this type of a video. Dislike if you didn't like it. Let me know why. And remember, print everything you can.